On a misty evening, a peculiar carousel horse named Bucky found itself in the spotlight. "Why do I always end up with the short straw?" Bucky grumbled, noticing a suspicious glint in the eyes of the carousel operator, Mr. Whiskers. "Tonight's the night, Bucky," Mr. Whiskers whispered, rubbing his hands together. "You're going to be the star of the show." As the carousel spun, Bucky felt a tickle in its wooden belly. Suddenly, it sneezed, launching Mr. Whiskers into the cotton candy stand. "Bless you," a child giggled, as Bucky, now a hero, stood proudly while Mr. Whiskers emerged covered in pink fluff.